When computers communicate, they need an organized system to transfer data. Different network architectures organize this communication process in unique ways. Today, we will explore client-server, peer-to-peer, and layered network architectures.
Welcome to the theater. What movie are you seeing today?
One ticket for the sci-fi movie, please.
Great, you're all set. Enjoy your show.
In a computer network, the device making the request is the client. The request travels directly to a central database system for processing. This central machine acts as the server, holding all necessary data. The server verifies availability and returns a successful response to client.
There you go, you are all confirmed.
One central server manages incoming requests from multiple clients simultaneously.
Let's start with page 10.
Page 10. We need to analyze this.
I can draw the diagram.
Hey, have you seen this book?
Wow, thanks. Let's link our nodes together.
Connection is established.
Wow, look at the data flow.
Every node can act as both a requester and a provider.
Here we see two distinct network topologies. The star network relies on a central hub, while the mesh connects nodes directly.
I need that file right now!
Sign these immediately.
I only have 2 hands!
Tell them the deal is off. Everybody, back to work.
To prevent chaos, the office divides responsibilities across different floors. Each floor performs a specific job before passing tasks along. Computer networks use this exact principle in layered architecture designs.
Data packet processing. Layer orientation sequence. Encapsulation complete.
The physical network transmits the prepared data package across space. At the destination, data moves upward, unboxing at each layer. Let us review how these 3 network designs compare overall.
In the client-server model, architecture is split. Clients send requests over a secure network. The centralized server processes and responds instantly. This ensures seamless data delivery.
In a peer-to-peer mesh network, nodes connect directly to one another. This creates a resilient, decentralized web.
Layered architecture divides complex tasks into structured, manageable steps.